Hey, we're getting off the ship today in Greenock, Scotland, which is the port for Glasgow. If you want to visit a big city like Glasgow. And Janet's right there ahead of me. And we are on the Caribbean Princess. And we have a couple of friends picking us up here at the port. So when you get off the ship, and even if the ship isn't the Caribbean Princess like we got off of, you're in a container port. Of course, they have this nice, well-marked walkway, and we have to walk to where that car is approximately, flashing his lights. And it's a working port, trust me. That big crane is right outside. Oh no, that big crane is right outside our cabin. So they even have a crossing guard protecting us from evil. And I guess if you were on a tour, you get on that bus, one of those buses. We're just going to go out the port of Greenock, or Greenock, port gates. So you come through the gate there, and then you walk around, and then through this red gate, you're in town.
Anyone travelling to Glasgow today? Fast frequent service to Glasgow.
Where they are selling tours. Our friends now. So we're outside of Greenock now. We're in Port Glasgow. And that's a shipyard building a ferry. This is the home of the Glasgow Rangers football club. So we're just outside Glasgow, or on the edge of it, and we've parked the car, and we're gonna go to the subway station and ride the subway into town. We're in King Park. So there's the prices of the subway, and they have two lines, the inner and the outer. You go down.
Get really easy in here when it's very this one the other side.
Oh, that's not too far down. Oh, I hear that train coming. This is our train. Oh, it's already full. Sort of. We got on in Kenyon Park, and now we're in West Street. Where are we getting off?
Buchanan Street.
Yeah.
Buchanan. So we're getting off the train, subway. And then we take the escalator back out into town. Oh, look at this. Well, we are in Glasgow now, right? Tartan House. It's the Queen Street railway station. There's that clock tower. And this is George Square in the city center. And there is something going on here. I see a lot of people in what looks like uniforms. Millennium Hotel. A lot of statues of guys on horses. A lot of statues of guys with seagulls on their heads. So our friends got us on a tour of City Hall, which is this building right here. And in a minute, or three, we're going in. And they're getting ready. Getting ready. Glasgow City Council City Chambers. I love a revolving door. Oh, one each? I'm going with you. Mosaics, mosaics, mosaics. Statues. It's all mosaic. Stepped into another room, and I've heard this is the oldest marble staircase. Ooh, look up there. Oh, this is pretty fancy. Everyone's looking up. We're going upstairs on a tour now. So we're looking at council chambers. Oh, fancy. This is the City Hall building. We were down there watching the event. And this is John Street, it says. And this is George Street we're on.